Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start now. Make sure the phone has at least 20% battery and any work saved. You need the current code or active biometric so the device will authorize changes. Open settings and navigate directly to security, lock screen, or passcode, depending on your brand. Once there, you will see the option to change or manage your lock. Make sure to read labels. Some phones separate screen lock from SIM or device encryption settings, so pick the device screen lock entry. You will authenticate first. Enter the current PIN, pattern, or use your fingerprint or face so the phone permits edits. Then choose the passcode type, 4-digit, 6-digit, custom numeric, or alphanumeric. You pick the trade-off between speed and security. Once chosen, type your new code carefully, then confirm it a second time to avoid typos. Make sure to enable biometric fallback only if you trust its accuracy. If your phone offers encryption or secure startup, once done, lock the phone immediately and test the new code plus any biometric unlock you enabled. Ensure they both work as expected. Make sure to update any saved credentials in your password manager or notes so you don't get locked out later. If something goes wrong, for example, you forget the new code, attempt account recovery with your device account, or use the manufacturer's Find My Device unlock features. A factory reset wipes data, so use it only as a last resort and back up regularly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.